Hello everyone, I am Mr. Ajiman and I welcome you to today's English lesson on adverbs. In this lesson, we are going to talk about adverbs. The simplest definition of an adverb is that it is a word that describes or modifies a verb. Actually, adverbs can modify other parts of a sentence, but in this lesson, we will focus on verbs and 4 kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner, and then adverbs of degree. Verbs answer when, where, how, and to what extent in a sentence. Let's look at these sentences. Salim ran, and then we have Salim ran excitedly. Now, this example shows the power of adverbs in a sentence. In the second sentence, you will find out how Salim ran. In the first sentence, you don't have any information on how Salim ran. So in the second sentence, we find out that Salim was very excited. So it is very important to understand adverbs and understand how to use them because they will make you speak English a lot better. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the position of an adverb. So where do we put the adverb in a sentence? Now that's a bit tricky because the adverb in an English sentence can be in different parts of the sentence. Let's look at a few examples. Salma climbed the mountain slowly. Slowly, Salma climbed the mountain. Salma slowly climbed the mountain. Can you guess the sentence, the adverb in the sentences? Can you guess the adverb in the sentences? Slowly is the adverb. It describes how Salma climbed the mountain. So let's take a look at an example. As you can see, the adverbs is in 3 different parts of the sentence, but the meaning is exactly the same. So let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me, please. Salma climbed the mountain slowly. Salma climbed the mountain slowly. Slowly, Salma climbed the mountain. Slowly, Salma climbed the mountain. Salma slowly climbed the mountain. Great, guys. Let's move on. Let's not talk about how to make adverbs. Most adverbs, not all of them, but most of them end in ly. So it's actually very easy. Take the adjective and add ly at the end. So we have adjective plus ly will give you an adverb. Let's look at a few examples. If you have the adjective nice and you add ly to it, you make the adverb nicely. So for example, you could say Kamsi is a nice speaker. Kamsi is a nice speaker. Using the adjective nice, but you could also use the adverb nicely and say Kamsi speaks nicely. Kamsi speaks nicely. A second example, if we take the adjective quick and add ly, we can make the adverb quickly. So we could say that Abubakar runs quickly. Abubakar runs quickly. Let's practice pronunciation here. Repeat after me, please. Kamsi runs quickly. Kamsi runs quickly. Kamsi speaks nicely. Kamsi speaks nicely. Abubakar runs quickly. Abubakar runs quickly. Good job, guys. Let's move on. Be careful, guys. Not all adverbs end in ly. Some adjectives don't change form when they become adverbs. They are called flat adverbs. Flat adverbs. Typically, flat adverbs will be early or late. Early or late, and a few others. And it's very important to know the flat adverb because a lot of my people try to add ly to some adjectives, and unfortunately they make incorrect sentences. So let's take a look at an example, okay? If I tell you the car drove fastly, do you think that makes sense? Now, it does make sense to try to add ly to the adjective fast, but unfortunately, fastly does not exist in English. Fastly does not exist in English. So the correct sentence is the car drove fast. Another example is he arrived lately to class. Again, it may make sense to try to add ly to the adjective late, but unfortunately, lately is not the adverb of the adjective late. The adverb for the adjective late is late. So the correct sentence is he arrived late to the class. Let's practice pronunciation. Please repeat after me. He arrived late to class. Great job, guys. I hope you now understand flat adverbs better. Let's move on. Let's now take a look at a few sentences to practice finding and making adverbs that modify verbs. Now remember, adverbs tell us so much about the verb. Usually they tell us when, where, how, and to what degree. So the first example we have is Ahmad easily lifted the box. Ahmad easily lifted the box. Can you spot the adverb in this sentence? Can you spot the adverb in this sentence? The adverb is easily. The adverb is easily. And it tells us how Ahmad lifted the box. It is an adverb of manner. It is an adverb of manner. The file tomorrow. Hafsat will download the file tomorrow. Now, where is the adverb? There is no word ending in ly, so it is a bit more complicated. Well, the adverb is tomorrow, and it tells you when. It is an adverb of time. Hafsat will download the file tomorrow, and the adverb tomorrow is an adverb of time. These are a bit more difficult. Our third example is now. I put it there. I put it there. Again, no word ending in ly. The adverb is the word there, and it tells us where. It is an adverb of place. Our last example is you didn't study enough for the test. Can you guess the adverb in this sentence? The adverb is the word enough, and it is an adverb of degree. It tells us to what degree. It tells us to what degree. Again, it is not a word ending in ly. For now, let's practice pronunciation a bit. Please repeat after me. Ahmad easily lifted the box. Ahmad easily lifted the box. Hafsat will download the file tomorrow. Hafsat will download the file tomorrow. I put it there. I put it there. You didn't study enough for the test. You didn't study enough for the test. Great, guys. Remember, guys, it is very important to understand adverbs and to know how to make them. They will make you speak English so much better. Thank you, and see you next time. Goodbye.